The management and analysis of large volumes of SAP ticket data can be challenging. Time-consuming as manual efforts. Resource constraints under tight deadlines. Quality, error-prone processes as manual efforts. Efficient generation of graphical visualizations. Analyzing large volumes of SAP ticket data can be a complex and time-consuming task. Imagine simplifying this analysis, and obtaining actionable insights more efficiently. Meet SmarTAMM, our next-gen advanced analysis tool built on SAP BTP, designed to revolutionize how you process and interpret historical SAP ticket data. Simply upload your SAP ticket dump in an Excel file, and SmarTAMM analyzes it with advanced logic, quickly extracting key insights from incidents, service requests, and change requests for smarter, data-driven decisions. A flexible platform that seamlessly integrates new features, ensuring high scalability and effortlessly evolving to meet your growing needs. Automated output featuring 10 default graphical views including monthly, weekly with severity graphs and customizable options provides valuable insights. It helps analyze trends, patterns, and ticket inflows over time. This enables quicker decisions, service adjustments, and improved cost efficiency. Unlock valuable insights with advanced algorithms that process vast data, providing key metrics to optimize services and boost operational efficiency. Unlike traditional analysis that can take days, SmarTAMM delivers fast, accurate insights in under 60 seconds. Simply upload a document, and get a detailed analysis with minimal effort, letting you focus on what matters most. Enhanced risk management through a quicker turnaround time leading to proactive service insights. Improved utilization of headcount by reducing human efforts. Reduced costs, timely, easy and accurate identification and recommendation in areas of automation, service improvements. Increased operational efficiency, achieving end-to-end operational maturity and improved efficiency. Early issue detection, achieving expedited realization of changes.